Hey guys, it's John here. Today I'm going to talk about the new quick export feature that Adobe Premiere has. So I just have a standard clip here, a video and a photo that I took not too long ago, and I'm going to be exporting them with each setting to see the quality changes. Hopefully this will give you an idea what the difference will do when you export from it. The low quality export will probably be more for just sending something off as a draft for someone to review, and then the higher quality will probably be more for the final product. So it's super easy to find. As you can see, it's just in the top right here. You select your location, and with a drop down you can choose the quality of your export. Simple as that, then press export. And next I'll show you each level of quality from the export settings in the video. I'll start with the lowest and end off in the highest. For the lower quality videos, I've actually scaled them up to 4K to match this video, so you can see the quality a bit better on each. Thank you for watching this quick video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.